Right. Good morning, everyone. So what we are discussing last class? Last class we have understood what is Java, why Java, who invented Java, what are the different types of applications we can develop by using Java, difference between Java and Python, and also we understood how to install JDK software. These are the points we have learned. So by yesterday class completed 5 days, we got full-fledged idea overview on Java language, Java concept. Introduction to full stack Java, we got clarity. Full stack Java means complete course list for developing a project. Okay. Next, by end of full stack Java completed, you will acquire all the skills required for developing a project. So that in company, you will not depend on any other person to add or modify the project, any layer of the project. Next, different courses available in full stack Java, we got the list. The full stack Java is divided into 5 modules. Java module, array Kappa. I already started class. Started? Then why you are talking? What you are discussing? Yesterday I told you should have common sense, right? You are not animals. Animals are? Human or animal? Tell. Tell me, are you human or animal? Human, no? Human means you have heart and brain, right? So respect your class. When you don't respect your class, what you can get from the class? Nothing. When you go to temple, you should leave your chappals outside. Respect your God. When you come to the class, respect your class. Have the presence of mind in the class. I came to the class for learning. So I should focus only what Hari is asking. Why I have to respond to Hari, not to worst fellows next day to me. Every day, this is a lesson to you. First, I should motivate you every day. Today is the sixth day. First day and okay, second day is okay. Till continue the same way means. So how many modules are there as part of full stack Java? 5 modules. First module, Java module. Second one is database module. Third is UI module. Fourth one is DevOps module. And fifth one is what? Cloud computing, cloud server module. All right. Next, as part of this course, which module you are learning? Java module. Complete Java module or only core Java? Only core Java. Here we are learning only core Java. Then we got clarity on core Java course details. What is core Java? Why are you learning core Java? As part of core Java, what are the different concepts you are learning? Java divided into how many, core Java syllabus divided into how many units, how many days it will take or how many months it will take, what is our start date, what is our end date, per day, how many weeks per day class will be there, right? And how many hours we are spending the time in the class. What is the style of learning? Listening style or discussion style? Discussion style. What is the meaning of discussion style? I will ask questions. You have to respond in the class. You should not silently sit in the class and should not watch. So you keep on reply to the questions I am asking so that you will quickly understand and quickly you can grasp and feeling confident to understand next topics. You will feel comfortable for next coming topics. Then if you want recordings, you can get recordings. For that extra payment you have to do, right? I am not recommending recordings. Don't take recordings. Recordings will make you lazy and postpone the content learning. And finally, you will fail and your friends will get the job. Yesterday, I went to the office. On our main office top, we have some, hostels. So there, one student has seen me run down floor and met me and told, sir, I got job, sir. Hey, in this recession time, how did you get job? Because of your subject, sir, because of your depth knowledge. Somehow I got the interview call and I managed interview call. I got interview call. In interview got good impression on my subject. The way you taught, the same way I have explained to the interviewer. So if you learn Java thoroughly, what I am telling, there is a recession, no recession, doesn't matter. Generally people are saying that recession. No jobs. How many jobs you need? One job. For one job, how many companies are there? So many. Recession means all companies are closed. Still software industry companies are running or not? Then why you are listening negative words, negative statements, negative news in the market? Recession there, let it be there. Who will be removed from the company? Is company removing all employees? No, company is removing only unskilled employees only. But skilled employees are there. Many of my students never lose a job. Some of the students are losing job who are lazy fellows. By luck, they got the job. They will be terminated at some point of the time. If you do hard work along with me, learn the subject thoroughly, everything you understood what I explained, you practice. Once you get the job, you never look back. You will sustain in your company, and slowly, company people started realizing you are not just a fresher. You have solid depth knowledge. You have any task you can handle. That confidence they will get. So it is your responsibility. Be active in the class. Be motivate every day. You yourself motivate. Who will motivate you every day? Is anybody coming or sitting you next time and asking, please eat food? Nana motivating? When you are eating food by your own, why don't you study by your own? Why don't you focus in the class by your own? Who should motivate every day? Are you kids? Okay, if you are a kid, then mother should motivate you. Eat food, eat food. So change your attitude. You are in Amirpet not for time pass. You are here for setting your career. How many months you have to hard work? Just 3 months. Come here. It's not class, right? College. Why you are asking permission? Now tell me, it is not your college. You are taking special admission here, trying to get the special training for you get the job. It is your responsibility to motivate by your own. You have to study by your own. You should feel tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow Hari will ask me some questions in the class. If I don't answer, how much of sad feeling he will get? Am I right or no? If you are not answering tomorrow, I'll feel so sad. I will cry. Pakka. That much hard work I am doing for you. Who will prepare? Why I need to prepare all these questions here? Every day after going to home, why I am preparing questions for you? It's a time waste for me, no? I'm expecting you study and focus in the class and learn. That's why I'm working hard for you. So you should also work hard. Are you catching my point? Tell me now, what is your target? Your target is learn whatever I am teaching you in the class sincerely. Start from the basics. It is a small point, difficulty point, least bother. Once one point came to your book means, from there it should come to your brain. You should remember. Next day you should answer. Always remember, tomorrow you should visualize. Today class completed. Tomorrow Hari will ask me all these questions in the class. I should be the first person to answer. Clear my point? I should impress Hari. Hari should teach the class by looking at me. Faculties are having one, what do you call a weakness. Generally, we don't follow the entire class. We will follow 1 or 2 students. From the girls side, 2-3 students. From both side, 2-3 students, we will follow. If you reply the answer, then we'll go for next point. Okay? So, entire class, we don't focus. You should be the first person to grab my attention. And when I ask the question, my eyes should come to you. Come on, you tell me. You gave answer? Right. Now I'll go next point. If you miss the class suddenly, some reason, I should not teach important points for in that class. You should be that much active in the class, that much alert in the class, that much you should motivate me. If you are learning more content, I am ready to give you more content. Am I college lecturer? Do I have any limited syllabus to teach like in college? No. As much as you can receive, that much knowledge I will give. My brain is Java Akshaya Patra. As much as you have a capacity of receiving, that much I will transfer. 19 plus years of Java knowledge experience I have. So that much knowledge if you want, then please try to come back. Please try to practice at home and come back with the knowledge what we learned yesterday. That's what my request every day. Okay, now? And once you come to the class, you should not speak to your friends. Once I start the class, you should focus only on my lecture. So how many units are there in core Java? 5 units. And then Day 4, we have just done some revision, and I think we have just discussed Python Java comparison. Okay. And yesterday we got clarity on what is Java. All the people tell me, what is Java? Java is a platform independent multi-paradigm programming language. Why Java is called multi-paradigm programming language? Because it supports different styles of programming. What are the styles it is supporting? 4 styles. What are the 4 styles? Object-oriented programming, functional programming, modular programming, data-oriented programming. Okay. So it's supporting 4 types of programming. That's what it's called modular programming. Multi-paradigm programming language. Object-oriented programming supporting from which version? 1.0. Functional programming, 8 version. Modular programming, 9 version. Data-oriented programming, 21 version onwards. Of course, earlier version also. Actually, from Java 15 version only, it is supporting data-oriented programming. But the term came into market from Java 21. Actually, Java 14, 15 only, it's supporting data-oriented programming. Okay. Now, who invented Java? Okay, let's answer all these questions quickly. What is Java? Completed. Why Java is called multi-paradigm programming? Understood. Where can we find that Java is a multi-paradigm programming language statement? Because this is the first time in the market I am using this word. Means no one in the market saying Java is a multi-paradigm programming language. No YouTube, no article, no faculty, no one. Because always I wish to teach latest version. Once new version is coming, I will upgrade to the new version. And that new version terminology I will use in the next batches. So that's what my style. So I have to prove to the people, where multi-paradigm term is there. Where is there? Do you remember? Go to OpenJDK, not Oracle, openjdk.org, openjdk.org website, and which Java feature article we have to read? 445. 445 feature article, if you read, you will find it. Okay. Next, who invented Java? James Cosley. In which year Java development is started? 1991. In which year Java is released? 1995. Now the question is, can we use that version? Was that version used? Answer is no. The version released in Java, the version released in 1995 is just a beta version. Means for just a testing purpose. In 1996, the original version Java 1.0 released for a developing project. So totally how many years you ought to remember? 3. 1991 development started. 1995 beta version released. First version beta version released. 1996 Java 1.0 is released for projects development. Okay, na? Next, why Java is invented? For supporting platform independency for developing internet application. Why Java needs platform independency? For developing internet application. For developing internet application, why internet applications required platform independency? 68. Why internet application need? Why does internet application need platform independency? Because internet application must execute throughout the world in a different computers with a different operating systems. So it required platform independency. Repeat once again. Why internet application need platform independency? Internet application means it has to download and execute in a different computers with a different operating system. So it needs what? Platform independency. Okay, next. What is a platform? Not why, sorry. This is what is a platform? A platform is nothing but an environment in which a program is loaded and executed. Nothing but OS. OS is the platform. What is a platform dependency? If a program cannot execute in different operating system, then we call it as what? Platform dependency. Come on, you are again listening. Try some words. What is platform independency? If a program is executed in a different operating systems, we call it as platform independency. Tell me the examples of platform dependent C++ program. Tell me what is the example of platform independency? Java, Python, .NET, PHP, HTML, all are comes under what? Platform independence programming languages. Next, tell me, what are the different types of applications we have in IT industry? Two types of applications are basically two types of applications: standalone applications and internet application. Standalone application is also called desktop application. Internet application is also called web application. Desktop applications are again different type are there. Internet or web applications are again different types of applications are there. So let us list out all. First one is what? Desktop. Second one is web. Third one is enterprise. Fourth one is distributed. Fifth one is interoperable. These are the 5 types of applications you are developing as part of core Java, advanced Java, and frameworks in the company. Adhamainda Raja? What is that? Number 1, desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, distributed applications, interoperable application. These 5 applications development only you are learning as part of our full stack Java course. Mobile applications, gaming applications, robotic applications, testing applications, big data, Hadoop, Spark applications, we are not teaching. They are separate courses. If you want to join, you can join, but don't join. Money waste and time waste, no jobs. Some people are planning to go for Selenium to learn. Someone maybe guided you wrong. Selenium also, it's again full stack, big package you have to learn. Okay, and if you join Selenium, Selenium background is what? Core Java. Core Java plus Selenium or Python plus Selenium. In place of Core Java, we can also use what? Python. On top of Core Java, Python, you are learning Selenium. Selenium programs you are writing, Selenium scripts you are writing. Just with Selenium, you cannot get job. Again, we have to learn so many other APIs you have to learn. So testing side also full stack is there, full framework is there. If you choose a testing your job and if you are moved to testing field feeling that no coding is there, that is olden days no coding is there. But nowadays, full-fledged coding is there. Slowly we'll realize that Java development is more easier than this testing frameworks to learn. That's why my sincere request is you learn core Java. In place of Selenium, you learn advanced Java. In place of Selenium next level framework, learn Spring Boot and microservices. Java day by day becoming more easy, more simplified way. So that's why continuing the development side. So that second advantage is you can get job faster than testing side. And after getting job, you will get more package, fast growth in the development side than testing side. Come on. Right? So don't go for testing side. Try to continue Selenium side, Java side only. Don't change your decision. If any of your friends are telling, testing is easy, then who told Java is the tough, development is tough? That is olden days Selenium is easy, but now same package is there. Don't change your mind, continue development. So that more package you will get. For what type of application development Java is used? Enterprise application. What type of application Python is used? Data science and machine learning application. What is the difference between enterprise application and data science application? Enterprise application means the complete application that bring the business functionality to the client. Whereas enterprise, data science application is not a complete business application. It is a data processing application. What a data processing application. So background of business application, data processing you want, then you have to use data science. Then what are the different softwares we required to develop, compile and execute a Java program? What are there? Editor software, JDK software, command prompt software. What is the use of editor software? For developing and type and save Java program. Next, what are the different types of editor softwares we have for Java? 3. Number 1, basic editor, Notepad, advanced editor, Edit Plus, and IDE, Eclipse. What are the differences between them? If you use Sachin, which question I have to repeat answer? Which number? Sachin, Kirti, are you there? When you ask the questions, please respond fast. Enterprise application means complete application. Did you attend yesterday class? Okay. Enterprise application means complete application. YouTube, complete application. Amazon, complete application. So complete application you are developed for one company business operations, then we call it as enterprise application. Okay. Background of this enterprise application, data processing and generating recommendations is called what? Data science application. Right? Read yesterday notes one more time. What are the differences between them? Basic editor Notepad doesn't give you any help, no information. Everything you should only start from zero. Advanced editors, Edit Plus, will provide some help. Okay, syntax highlighting will be there. Compilation execution shortcuts will be there. IDE will provide the complete help for developing projects. Using Notepad, we will develop basic program. Using Edit Plus also, we will develop basic programs only. Using IDE, we will develop complete big project. Understood? Big project we will develop with a lot of other softwares connection. Suppose if I wanted to develop a project, I need to connect to the database. I need to connect to the server software. I need to connect to the tools, GitHub, Log4j, Maven. So different softwares I need to connect to develop my project. This entire connectivity in an easy way and developing big projects in a simple way and a lot of code help, less type, more choose. So much of options will be there in Edit Plus. So much of options will be there in Eclipse, IDE. Fast development will be there. Notepad, zero help. Edit Plus, somewhat help will be there. IDE, full help, fast development will be there, and less typing, more choosing will be there. Everyone understood? Now all the people decide which editor I should use. IDE? IDE? Come on, shall I start working from Eclipse program? Less typing, you no need to type anything. Abracadabra, aja. You can just say one command, one mantra. Control space, come. Control space, enter. Again control space, enter. Again control space, enter. And how many fingers required to work? Only 3 fingers. One, control space, enter. Left side, little finger and this index finger. And then right hand, index finger. And control space, enter. Control space, enter. Your project is ready. Happy na? If I use Eclipse, you will become what? Control space, enter developer. Okay. Interviewer will give you Eclipse and laptop for developing programs or white paper to write program. Who is white paper? Which editor is white paper? Notepad. If you start your journey with Notepad, complete picture, complete knowledge you will have in your brain. So interview, you can confidently face and answer questions in the interview. Let us start from zero. Next, just by installing JDK software, can we compile and execute Java programs? No. Why? Because compiler and JVM softwares to run, first of all, they have to open and available. Compiler and JVM softwares are CUI based. We cannot run them individual. Then what else we need? We need command prompt. Okay. Next, why do we need command prompt software to compile and execute a Java program? Compiler software and JVM software are CUI based softwares. They can run only in command prompt. Then what are the differences between CUI and GUI? CUI stands for console user interface. Their user interface for running the program is console. Console means command prompt. GUI, they have their own user interface, their own window. 99% of business applications are what application? GUI or CUI? CUI. Are mama, GUI or CUI? GUI rabai, CUI and command prompt required, na? Right. 99% of your business applications are GUI, not CUI. How can we download and install JDK software? From Google. Okay. Oracle.com, Google. Go to Google and type JDK, download and install. Can we install JDK software in the default path? Answer. Can we? Can we install JDK software in the default path? No, na? Yes, sir, bhaiya. Can we install? Yes. Then why did you change the installation path to CJDK 21? While working with Edit Plus, we will have problem because of program files. Understood? What is the meaning of Java_home? Java_home means installed directory, home directory, Java home, where Java software is installed. CJDK 21 is called Java home. How can you confirm that Java software is installed and ready to use? Open command prompt and run Java C command. Okay, na? So these are all the points we have discussed yesterday. Hello, brother. By today we have completed 85 questions. Oh my God, such a wonderful learners you are. Okay. Durvesh, are you attending today first class? Did you attend yesterday class? These are the revision, okay? Yesterday, what we have learned, I just did revision. Clear my point? I have not started today class yet. This is a revision. Come. Every day, first 10 minutes, we will conduct exam on yesterday class. Correct? All people are okay, na? Every day, first 10 minutes are wasting on yesterday class. No problem, no problem. Where can we get these notes? Praveena Rao. Today is a first class for you also? Yeah. Only asking question, not responding. No, already attended. Then why you are asking, where did you get the notes? Ankush, is it today first class? When you people are asking questions, let me know first. Is it first class or second class? Okay. You want only collections? Don't want other chapters? As part of core Java, you want only collections? Then why you are focusing only on collections? Okay. Collections covered and other topics also covered. Whatever required for passing Java exam, everything will be covered. Okay. Today is the 6th class, weekend class. And thank you so much for attending today class. Why I'm saying thank you? Today weekend, no? Saturday and a holiday. But still you are ignoring your, enjoy day and come to the class. Nice to see you. Essential statements and Java first program. Okay. This is what we are learning today class. Ready? Okay. Take it. What is our syllabus we are following? What is Java? Why Java? Who invented? What are the softwares installing? And then now today, take a D. Essential statements to develop. Hey, 1 second here. Yesterday we have not written notes for downloading, no? Shall I give few points? Write down as part of notes. Quickly we'll write, okay? Online students who missed yesterday class, if it is a first class for you, please follow the link shared by the admin. You will get previous class recordings and notes there. What is the first step here? Quickly tell me. Open browser. Which browser? Your wish. Open browser. Type or search JDK download. Click Java downloads. Click Windows or Mac OS based on your operating system. Next. Next. Click on exe file or DMG file. For Windows people, exe file. For Mac OS people, DMG file link. Then JDK software is downloaded. Downloading is complete. Then installation. Click on jdk.exe. Mac OS people, I hope you know how to install your software in your systems. I don't know. I didn't use Mac, so I don't know. If you are Mac users, you know how to install softwares, you follow it. Eighth point. Click yes. In Windows, you will be given yes. Then click next. Then click change. Change path to C:/JDK-21. You just remove that program files, Java. Carefully remove. /program files/Java. Completed? Same steps here. Have you installed any software in your Mac? Same steps follow. There is no different steps for Java. Next, click OK. After changing the path, you have to click on OK. Click OK. For Mac OS, you no need to change the path. This step is not there in the Mac. Just follow the regular software installation style. Click OK. Now, next. Click next. Click I think last up is a finisher, closer. Close, I guess. Close, na? ఏదో ఫినిష్ ఆర్ క్లోజ్. ఐ డెంట్ రిమెంబర్. లాస్ట్లో ఏ బటన్ వస్తే అది క్లిక్ చేసేసుకోండి. JDK installation is complete. The home directory. The home directory. Double quotes. Java_home. So officially we call home directory as what? Java_home is double quotes C:/JDK-20. Test whether JDK is running or not. What do you do? Open new command prompt. How to open new command prompt? Press window key. Hello, you know where is window key? On keyboard. Keyboard, press window key and type CMD. Press enter. Window key press, type CMD, press enter. Command prompt is open. Here run, type and run the command Java C. Type Java C, press enter. Okay. So if you see different options to run Java C, it means JDK is installed and running successfully. Anjaneyulu Karnati. It will not set again to program files. Maybe you are doing some mistake. Yesterday I have shown you, na, in my system it not happened, right? Oh, that is different. Path is different, okay? What you are asking is different story. That I'll explain in the next classes. Which version Windows you are using, Gauri? Windows 11. Which JDK you have installed? Which version JDK? Then it should come. Not coming means it's not installed in your system. Check once. Next, let's go for programming now. Essential statements. Essential statements to develop, compile and execute a Java program. Fardeen Sheikh, what error you are getting? Your wish, anything you can download. Gauri Syed, 17 or 21, your wish. Then you are saying error coming. Ready? Tell me where I have to develop program. Notepad. Tell me how to open Notepad. Start window key. Start. Type Notepad. I should open Notepad. Na? Start, type, open Notepad. Notepad is open. Then next what to do? Close. Open, close. Hey, no. Open. Then next what should I do? I should type the program. For what purpose you are typing program? Any program we will type for performing some operation and finally print result. Na? To print result, I should have print statement. Okay, all the people stop asking questions and listen what I am saying. First focus on today class, past, but forget about past. We'll come back again. Now, I open Notepad. In Notepad, my target is writing a program. To write a program, I need one print statement. In a C language, the print statement name is printf. In C++, the print statement is cout. In Java, the print statement is system.out.println of what message you want to print. That message you have to write hello. If you write hello directly, it is a wrong way of writing. Hello means it's a text. The text message you have to write inside double quote, not single quote, double quote. Single quote means only one character. Double quotes means what? Multiple characters. Point number one, we are writing program to perform some operations and printing some message on console. For printing message, Java print statement is println. Actually, there are three print statements in Java: print, println, printf. How many totally? Three. What are the three? Print, println, printf. Immediate question. Then what is the difference between these three? Monday class. Everything we cannot understand today, na? So first we are understanding println. Then what is the difference between these three print statements? We will discuss on Monday. Oh, okay. So the first print statement I am using what? Println. What is the full statement of println? I cannot use just println. I have to write system.out.println. Sir, why I cannot write just println? Why should I write system.out.print? What is system? What is out? I don't understand. First you explain. Monday class. Understand my point? Everything I cannot explain today. Okay. First I am asking you walk. How to walk? Use legs. For that you have to stand and then slowly move legs. If you ask why should I move legs? First move. If you start move and walk, then you slowly understand why I have to move, why I have to write like this, right? So first you accept what I am telling. Don't put so many questions and don't confuse your brain. Beginning days you should not ask why. First you have to ask what, how, and that's all. Why slowly we will add. Now, so what is the statement I should write in Java for printing message? System.out.println. Here, yes should be capital. Java is case sensitive. Capital letters are considered as a capital letters. Small letters are considered as small letters. If you write Volta, compiler will not accept it and throw error. Java is case sensitive. You are very sensitive now. Nowadays, boys are become so sensitive. Girlfriend say break up, commit suicide. Yes or no? Boyfriend say no gift today. Then what? Break up. So now boys and girls are become too sensitive on everything. Teacher scold a little bit. You scold me, I commit suicide. Father, mother scolding and beating. You scold me, then commit suicide. Friends are scolding. No, commit suicide, begging. Sorry, Ramama, sorry. Okay. Boyfriend or girlfriend scolding. Going on, Sastanga Namaskaram, right? So, what I am trying to tell you, who is important for your life? If those people are something scolding you, then you are getting what? Sensitive and getting hurted and getting wrong decisions. People who are spoiling your life, those people are scolding, feeling missing, and then started begging them. Change your mindset. Okay. Who is important in your life? Only two people. Number one, parents. Number two, teachers. After these two remaining people, parents and teachers are there in your life. Enough. Remaining people are there or not there. Least bother. Who are coming, going. They are just a time pass people coming and going. Parents and teachers and your siblings are only permanent in your life. Remaining all people are just time pass people. After marriage, wife and husband and children are permanent. Okay, na? Right. So totally 5 people are permanent in your life. As of now, only 2 people. So don't focus on unnecessary. Nana, Amir paid is the most dangerous place. Sorry, online students, no problem. Offline students, be careful. Offline students, you come to Hyderabad to fall in love with Java. Understand my point? Suddenly, your hostel friend, who is unknown or known person, he is keep on talking to his lover, saying that baby, that to this, and finally by seeing 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, then you will get influenced, and also you also stopped studying Java, starting another Java. What is that? Search for the lover. Okay. And then different activities, now different ideas you started implementing, your life will be completely spoiled. So only focus on Java, don't focus on other things. Okay, come back. Java is sensitive. Okay, very sensitive. Uppercase you have to use as uppercase, lowercase you have to use as lowercase. In a system.out.println, what is right? Capital S is only first letter S is capital, remaining all letters are small. Some people, after this much insisting also, some people blindly write small s and come tomorrow. Sir, program not working. Indu work out later. Why not working? So how do I know? Okay, you told, as you told, I have typed. Then yesterday in my system worked, in your system not working, and you have shown your talent. Na? So what you did mistake, you have to identify. Okay, capital S, you have to write. Now my question is, tell me, is Java scripting language or object-oriented programming language? Object oriented. If it is a scripting language, I can directly write the statement in the program. But it is what? Object oriented. In an object oriented programming language, if you want to write any statement, that should be part of one method. What concept? Method. Method is nothing but function. Someone is performing some operation is called what? Method. So repeat once again. I want to print message. What is the statement I have to use? System.out.println. Can I place this statement directly in the Java file? No. You must place inside where? Method. In Python, I can write directly because Python is a scripting language. In Java, can I write directly? No. Java is a object-oriented programming language. Then where I should write this method? The method name is main. What the method name? Main. Name is main. Your name is some X, but only with name you are going up. Full body is there. You have full body, eyes, ears, hands, legs, name, height, weight, lot of things are there. Just with name not there. So same way, this method is also just with name cannot exist. It has some other parts. That is what? Public, static, void, main of string array args. This is the full syntax of the main method. Open bracket, closed bracket. Whenever you say method, it should have boundary. This is my begin place and this is my end place. Boundary should be there. If you choose this room has a 4 walls. This is the start, this is the end, this is my boundary. So in Java, how can you specify boundary? By using open bracket and closed bracket. So tell me, what is the name of the method? Main. What is the full syntax of the main method? Public, static, void, main of string. String. What we pronounce this square bracket? Array. What do you pronounce? Array. Come again. String, array, args. String array args, full form. And then immediate question, sir, I don't understand what is public, what is static, why you are written string array args? Monday class. Super. Okay, it's a Monday class. So just now you accept it. Oh, if I wanted to write main method, I have to write all these words. Okay. Hoi, Java is case sensitive. Uppercase, lowercase. Tell me, public keyword, static keyword, void keyword. All keywords must be in lowercase. If you write uppercase, lowercase, as you like, compiler will not accept. Java compiler will throw error. Public, static, void, all are lowercase. Even main, name is also in lowercase. String, yes, capital letter. Okay, Okay, na? It is not keyword. It is a name, class name, program name. Okay, I will tell you that later. Next question I'm asking. Everyone try to answer. I wanted to write one statement in Java. That statement I have to place inside where? Method. Okay, Java is a functional programming language or procedure programming language or object oriented. If it is a C style, procedural programming, structure programming language, directly I can write what? Function. But Java is object oriented. Object oriented means everything should be inside where? Class. Class keyword following by class name. This is my first program now. You can write any name. A, open bracket, close bracket. Any single letter or multi-letter word, multi-word letter you can use. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, anything you can write. But I'm taking some meaningful name. First program. I'm ready? First program. So tell me now, if you want to develop Java program, every Java program must start with a class because Java is a object-oriented programming language. Second, inside Java program class, I have to write main method. Inside main method, I have to write logic statements. So if you want to develop, compile, execute, print some message on the console, how many essential statements are required? 3 essential statements. Number 1, class. Number 2, main method. Number 3, system.out.println statement. Develop, compile, execute, print. For a development purpose, just a class is sufficient. For compilation purpose, just a class is sufficient. But for execution purpose, main method is required. For printing purpose, SOPLN is required. Are you catching my point? Just for develop and compile, just a class is sufficient. Main method is SOPLN not required. For running purpose, main method is required. For printing purpose, SOPLN is required. So totally in a program, how many works we are doing? 4. Number 1, develop, compile, execute, print some message on the console. To perform these 4 operations, how many essential statements required? At a minimum, how many statements I have to write? 3. Number 1, class, main method, SOPLN. Everyone understand? Where I have to write what? Class directly in the Java file. Where main method? Inside class. Where SOPLN? Inside main method. Clear my point? Right. Write down these points. Check. For developing, comma, compiling, comma, executing, and printing some message or value from a Java program. We need three essential statements. Okay, now? Let me write this sentence in another way. You don't change, okay? Java provides 3 essential statements. You don't change, right? For developing, compiling, executing, and printing some message or value from value where? On console. Console means command prompt from a Java program. What are they? They are, number 1, class. Number 2, main method. Number 3, capital S, system dot out dot println semicolon. In between, write hyphen. Hyphen means some value. Karthik, did you go anywhere in the middle of the explanation? Then what is your doubt? If you ask, explain again. What point I have to explain? How do I know? Ask your doubt, no? Where did you get confused? Ask. Main void. I didn't write main void. And I didn't write M cap letter, V cap letter. Focus. Okay, when you're looking at screen, focus. Tell me what the purpose of class? Right. The class is essential. The class is essential. Put class in double quotes. The class is essential because Java is an, look at here, OOP, can I write? What is the full form of OOP? Language Java is an object-oriented programming language. Every program in Java must be started with a class. Else we will get compile time error. The compilation time we will get error. Next. We write main parenthesis method. Whenever I say method, that should be followed by parenthesis. The main method is essential because for running or executing a class, main method is required. The main method is the initial point of class logic execution. Every Java program execution is started with main method. Note, if a class doesn't have main method, can you fill the statement? If a class doesn't have main method, what happened? After development, I have to do two more activities. What is that? Compile and execute. Can I compile this class without main method? Don't show your talent. Huh? Already I told you the statement clearly here. Main method is required for running or executing. Did I mention compilation? Can I compile a class without main method? Yes, sir. For compilation purpose, just class is sufficient. Main method is not required. Main method is the initial point. Underline. initial point of class logic execution. It is the initial point of class logic execution, not for compilation. The initial point of class logic execution, underline that. That means if a class doesn't have main method, what I cannot do, what I can do, we can compile it, but we cannot execute. It's very, very important point. Interviewer definitely asked the question, can we compile a class without main method? Answer is yes. Can we execute a class without main method? No. Next, the system.out.println. Can I write shortcut? SOPLN. Write shortcut. SOPLN. Already there you written system.out.println. SOPLN is essential because in Java, for printing any message or output on console means command prompt, we must use system.out.println statement. Note, Java provided 3 print statements. Number 1, system.out.println printf with 2 hyphens. Last chair, visible a font visible. Using print, we can print only one value. Println, one value. Printf has a syntax with 2 values. 2 hyphens means 2 values you have to pass. 1 hyphen means 1 value. Then what is the difference between these 3 points? We'll discuss in the next class. 1, 2, 3, Babu, this one. Clear? Any doubts, confusion here, please ask. Now tell me, what is the structure of the program? The structure of a program is inside a class, inside a Java. Okay. We will start a Java program with a class. Inside a class, we will place main method. Inside a main method, we will place SOPL as shown below. First class, here what will be there? Class name, open bracket, closed bracket. Inside class, observe, inside class, and you have to minimum provide some gap here. And inside and it should be in where I have written open bracket. Did you notice, my dear blind people? Many people might have written bracket down. Check your friend note side. The bracket written down. Call him, hi blind person. Where you ought to write bracket? Same line. Not next line. Okay, na? Listen carefully. Focus. Focus. If you don't focus, you will use your brain. Finally, you will get wrong results. Focus on. Bracket should be in the same line. Sir, in my C language, I have written next line, sir. That is C language, right? This is Java. Oh, no, sir. Here also I will write in the next line. Any problem? No problem. Then we will be called a C Java developer. Amirpet developer. You want to call as Amirpet developer, C Java developer, or pure Java developer? Pure Java developer, high-tech city developer, experienced person means you ought to write bracket in the same line. Okay. So just follow the coding standards. And tell me. Next. Inside. Here you write what? Main method. Open bracket, closed bracket. Just we are writing syntax, just a structure of the program, not full syntax. Main method, here you write. Inside main method means I have to push the control inside. Inside main method, here you write what? System.out.println and semicolon. This is the structure. Inside class, main method. Inside main method, SOPLN. After your program development completed, if anybody sees, your program should be look like a V-shape program. Understood? Your program should have V-shape. Left side you should have V-shape. Write down like this. Structure of the program is very, very important. Indentation is very important. When somebody see your program, they should feel good. You have some good experience in programs development, you should feel. Write down the arrow marks. Whatever I'm writing on the screen, everything write in your notes. Completed? Shall you write a program now? Next, steps to develop, compile and execute Java program. Check, write down. Steps to develop, compile and execute a Java program. Steps to develop, compile and execute a Java program. A Java program, development, compilation and execution comes under how many steps? Guess. 1 step or 2 steps or 3 steps or 10 steps or 20 steps or 3 steps. Excellent. What are the 3 steps? Develop. 3 essential statements. Develop. Second, compile. Third, execute. If run out automatically print it together, you no need to tell print. What I'm asking, steps to develop, compile, execute a Java program. How many steps? 3 steps. Develop, compile, execute. If it is a 3 steps, why I will give notes? Already in the question, answer there, na? Why extra time I will spend and waste my time? Not your time, my time. My time is very much valuable, okay? 1 day extra I spend time with you and extra I am wasting my money. So, if I am spending the time, there is an important point to consider. Tell me. How many steps are there? Develop. Where you develop? In your notes. Develop ante typing class, main method and SOPLN. The type, where you type? Then who will open Notepad? Automatically. And open. No, right? So, open Notepad is 1 step, no? Tell me, step number 1. Open Notepad. Are you looking at me? Are you looking at me, brother? When I say open Notepad, are you look at me? Don't look at me, visualize. Work with ARV technique. Analyze, realize, visualize. ARV technique. My style of teaching is ARV technique, analyze, realize, visualize. When I say open Notepad, you should visualize. Okay, my computer. You have computer? You all people have laptop? If you don't have laptop, this is your computer. End of the class, don't take with you. Okay, this computer is yours. Feel in your in this computer, I open Notepad. Hey, how to open Notepad? In bracket, start, type Notepad, press enter. Okay, Notepad is open. Wow, open Notepad. Second step, close Notepad. Now the next step, type Java program. What is the Java program? Class, main method, SOPL. Done. After typing, your job is over. What is there? Save. How to save? Control S. Press Control S and give the file name. Where? As a .java file. File name is .java. But where? In your house or my house? Where you save? People who are from IT background, you should tell. Already you did in your computers, in your academics. Where did you save? Where will you save? Inside? Then Anna, that file where? In a C drive. In a C drive where? Which folder? Bin folder. Excellent. That's what I'm expecting answer. That's what I want. Where I save my Java program? C drive, JDK, bin folder, isn't it? In your college, your lecturer has taught you save the Java program in CJDK bin folder. Okay. After course completed in holidays, go back to your college. Catch him. Are you developing Java program for JDK software? Then why you are saving in JDK folder? You are learning Java. That's why you are in this classroom, not Python. So if you are writing program for JDK software, then I have to save inside JDK bin folder. Second problem. If I save my Java programs in JDK bin folder, today I am using which version Java? 21. After 6 months, new version is coming, Java 22. Then I will install 21 and I will reinstall 22. And then 21 when I install along with the JDK software, my programs also deleted. Third problem. After a project development completed, I have to deliver this project to the client. For that, entire JDK software, we will send up only my Java programs. How can we separate Java software files from Java programs files? Is it a difficult or not? So tell me, saving Java program in JDK bin folder, is it right approach or wrong approach? Wrong approach. So people are teaching in colleges, little wrong points they have injected in your mind. Now I'm trying to correct those points. That's why first program development I'm taking little lengthy. Are you following? IT people, non-IT and no problem. Just directly straight away I will tell the point. But IT people are already experienced Java in their colleges. In a wrong approach they have learned. I have to correct that mistake. That's why taking little time. Don't get angry on me. Okay. So finally tell me where I have to save my Java program, in JDK bin folder or in my own folder? Our own folder, because I am writing programs for my own project development. So I have to create my own folder. So tell me, what should I do first? First, create the folder and then save the program in that folder. Clear my point? What is recommended way to create the folder? In a C drive or in a D drive? Having only one drive in your computer is a good idea? No. Operating system will crash anytime. Then you have to format the operating system. If you format operating system, means the entire C drive, all the folders will be removed. Then if you save your Java programs, your personal files or your images or videos and audios, everything in C drive, when you format, everything is gone. That's why it's always recommended to have minimum 3 drives in your computer: C drive, D drive, E drive. When in C drive, you should have only operating system and softwares installation. In a D drive, Java programs and other courses programs. In E drive, backup softwares and your entertainment. E stands for what? Entertainment. Your videos, audios, personal files, everything you have to save in the E drive. Are you following my point? In my computer, I have like that. I will organize everything neatly, nicely in my office also. So C drive, E drive, C drive, D drive, E drive. In C drive, we install the JDK software. Now in D drive, I'm going to save my program. So how many steps are there in Java program? Development, compilation, and execution. Development has how many steps? 3 steps. Number 1, open Notepad. Number 2, type a program. Number 3, save the program. Compile and execute. Tell me, where will you compile and execute? For compilation purpose, first of all, I should run compiler software. Where I will run the compiler software? Command prompt. After develop, type and save, then I have to open command prompt. What is the step number 4? Open command prompt. All the people look at here. When I open command prompt, the path is showing in the command prompt to our project directory or to the HK directory. Means it is a user directory. When you open command prompt, by default it is showing to what? User directory. Everyone tell me. If I type here Java C, my program name, first program.java, compiler software Java C, searching for first program.java file in HK folder. Did you save in HK folder? No. Where you have saved? D drive in our own project directory. Yes or no? If you want to run, if you want to compile my Java program, I have to change the path. So in the command prompt window, means once you open the command prompt, directly we should compile. First I have to change path. Whose path I have to change? Observe. There are 2 paths are here. C colon, then users HK. What is C colon? Drive. What is users HK? Directory. You want to change from C to D drive and then change in the D drive to directory. Are you following? That means how many commands we have to run? 2 commands. First, drive change command. Second one, directory change command. Everyone following? Repeat once again. Once you open command prompt window, by default, it is showing the path to user directory. What is the meaning of user directory? With whose name I have login? With my name, I log into my computer HK. So HK is the user directory. In your computer, you log in, your name will come. Can I compile my Java program directly here? Let me show you that. Java C. First program, you can say just a.java. Look at it. I got error. File not found a.java. Where in HK? So where a.java file I have saved? In my D drive, my project directory. I have to change. So how many commands I have to run here? 2 commands. First, I have to change it to D drive. Which drive we want to change? Drive colon. So because this is a drive name. So change it. And then next you have to use the command called what? CD. What is the meaning of CD? Change driver, change directory. Change directory. That directory path you have to specify here. Everyone understood? So totally how many commands we have to run? 2 commands. Tell me again, what are the steps we have? What are the steps we must follow to develop Java program? Step number 1, open Notepad. Step number 2, type Java program. Step number 3, save Java program with .java extension in our own project directory. Repeat again. Save Java program with .java extension in our own project directory. Next, 4th, open command prompt. 5th, change drive and directory path. Drive and directory path. Now 6th step, compile by using what the command name? Java C. Execute by using Java. That's it. Totally how many steps are there? 6. Count again. Count again. You said wrong answer. Come on. Step number 1, open Notepad. Step number 2, type Java program. Save Java program. Open command prompt. Change directory, drive and directory path. Compile using Java C command. Execute by using Java command. Totally how many steps? 7 steps. Samajh mein aaya? Tell me, you go to lab or go to your laptop to develop Java program. Will you open the notes? Side open notes. Look, D, CD, CD. There copy paste master. You want to become typist? You want to become developer? Developer. After this class completed in the lab or in your lab, when you are working on laptop, if you open notes, If your hand moving this side, I'll be next and beat you. Ardhamainda Raja? Don't open notes. Ask your brain. Ask yourself. What do you want? I want to develop one program. And then develop. How? Morning you learn. Na? How many steps are there to develop Java program? 5 steps, 7 steps. What the first step? Open Notepad. How do you open Notepad? Ask a question yourself. You yourself the interviewer, you yourself is the candidate. You yourself is the faculty, you yourself is the student. Ask yourself. Nowadays, in YouTube, shots are coming like that only, na? Same person asking question, same person answering. Two sides, same person coming to perform the dual role. This dual role I am performing for the last 20 years. Now it is trending in the YouTube charts and reels. Okay. You yourself is a candidate. You yourself is the interviewer. Play interviewer role. Interviewer ask you a question. How to develop a Java program? 1 minute. My sir gave wonderful notes. Okay. Let me open notes. Dekho. Read the notes. Can you tell from the notes? No. Get everything into your brain. The notes is only for future reference purpose because we are Gajini, na? Brand ambassador of Gajini, we will forget easily, right? Come on, write the notes, check, and we have to write the code also. What the time now? 10:30, yeah? Oh, still we have so much of time. Nice. Java, a Java program development, compilation, execution come under how many steps? 7 steps. Number 1. Open Notepad. How? Press window key. Last batch, one student asked, sir, I didn't find any window key on the monitor, sir. Window key on keyboard, okay. Press window key. Next. Type Notepad. Press enter. If you have confusion, on keyboard. Sometimes by listening your questions, I'll feel so refreshed. Okay. Such a nice questions you will ask. Next. Type. Not write a type. On Notepad, can you write? No, type. Type Java program. Next. Third. Save this Java program with .java extension in your own project direct. In bracket, create directory, create new directory. Give 1 line gap because development is complete. These 3 steps are comes under development. Give 1 line gap. Compilation, execution started. 4th step. Open Notepad. Open command prompt. How to open command prompt? Same process. In place of Notepad, type CM. Fifth step. Change directory and sorry. Change drive and directory path. Sixth, compile this Java program by using the Java compiler, double quotes, Java C tool. That software is called tool, small software. That Buji software name is Java C tool. 7. Execute this Java program, compiled code. Compiled program. Execute always compiled. Compiled program by using the JVM. By using the JVM. What is the name of the JVM? Java 2. That's all. These are the 7 steps. If I am writing notes, I always place the most important points in box. And the steps in separate box. Okay, if I write like this, it will be more easy for me when I'm doing revision. Check, I can revise my class and I can recollect what happened in the class. How to change directory path using cd command. Why you wasted that much left side space? Dikshit Reddy, you are only focusing on asking question. You are not using your brain at all. Is Java C belongs to keyboard? Is it a command to type? You keep on repeating the same question. It is a third time or fourth time. Everyone ready to help me to develop program? That's what I am telling, Mr. Running purpose only. Which key you will use? What key? Java C is a button on the keyboard. It is a command. You should open command prompt. Type Java C. Open command prompt. Type Java C. What key? It is a command. You have to type and press the enter key. After command typed, what you have to do? Run. Run means enter key, standard command. Now we completed steps to develop Java program. Everyone understand today 2 topics? What is the first point we completed? Essential statements. How many essential statements are there? 3. What are the 3? Class, main method, system.out.println. Class is used for developing program. Main method is used for running the program. System.out.println meant for printing the message on the console. Not printing program, right? Printing output or message on the console. Then totally how many steps are there to develop, compile, execute? 7 steps. Now let's go for program 1. Right? Program 1. Develop a program to display. What? To display. Hello world. HK programming world. No hello world. HK programming world. So our programming world is completely different from other people's programming world. Here you are becoming just Java knowledge people or experienced people. By end of the course completed, you will get minimum 3+ years of programmer knowledge. No doubt in that. Okay. But provided you have to participate. You have to have that interest of learning. If you are not having interest, I cannot do anything. So you are here becoming experienced fresher. Remember that. But for that, you have to do hard work. So develop a program to display HK programming world on console. Can you develop yourself? I want write all 7 steps, step by one by one. Okay. And tell me, step 1. Check write along with me. Open Notepad. Open. Ready. Second step. Write down. Don't waste time. Write down. Open Notepad. I'm not writing shortcut there. You already know. Step number 2. Type below program. Type below program. First start with. Look at here. Assume this is your Notepad begin. Okay. This is a Notepad begin. And then now let's keep that point in your mind and we'll write. Class. First we have to write what? Class. What is the name of the class? Any name you can take. But we are choosing first program. 1 second. First to space programmer, first to no space programmer. If I give space here, it will become 1 name or 2 names. A class can contain only 1 name. If we give space, it become 2 names. Compiler confuse and throw error. Why you are writing second name? So should not give space in between. And next, F and P, small letter or capital letters? Capital letters. Sir, I will write small letter. Any problem? No problem. Tomorrow when you come to the class, wear these shut buttons backside and come. Any problem? No problem. Right? But people will laugh at you, no? These are called coding standards. So when you're writing name, you will follow title case, na? How you write your name? First letter, first word, you are writing capital letter, no? Same thing we have to follow here. The next bracket here. Okay? Write down. Class, first program, open bracket. Don't close bracket. Next, where you write main method? Some intelligent people will start writing from here. Hey, have a common sense. You have to move, push the cursor inside the class, and here you have to start. Public, static, void, main of, string array, args. Open bracket. Write down. Don't copy from my screen. You write yourself. You know everything, believe. Push main method inside the class. Don't write parallel or outside of the class. You should get V shape. Next up, push the cursor inside main method and write system dot out dot println of where you are in. HK. No space in between. Wow, so elegant. Write on that exclamatory mark, okay? HK programming world. Now we have open brackets, right? I have to close the bracket. Which bracket first I have to close? Main method bracket. Where I should close? Your wish, anywhere. But you have to follow coding standard. Where I have to close? Exactly down to public. Exactly down to public, you have to close. Exactly down to public, you have to close. Where I should close a class bracket? Exactly down to the class. If you write like this, then you will be called Java developer. Understood us? If you write this program as you like zigzag order, then you will call Amir Paid developer. So you want to be Amir Paid developer or Java experienced developer, take decision yourself. HK product will be called. Next step number 3. Tell me, what is the step number 3? Save Java program. Save above program. Chapan, what is the name? Save above program with the name. Don't write. First you tell me with the name. The class. Wait, don't write it. Save this class with the name first pro. I said don't write. Don't write. First listen. Save this class with the name first program dot class dot Java. That's what you learn in your academics. Now I am saving with the name example dot class. Example dot Java. Any problem? The name of the class is the first program, but I'm saving this Java file with the name, different name, example.java. Any problem or no problem? In academics problem. Because prescribed books told Java file class name must be same. Our faculties are following. And we never do any experiment because sir told I am doing. Okay. But in Amirpet, in high-tech city, in Java, the name can be anything. No compile time error, no runtime error. I will show you that. Save above program with the name example.java. In the folder, where I have to save? Come on, D colon. D colon, where I have to save? Listen, I want all the people to create the folder structure like this. Everyone, please focus. You join which course? Hey, full stack Java, na? Your course is what? Full stack Java, right? In a D drive, create a folder with what name? FSJD. FSJD. What is FSJD? Full stack Java. Because I am going to handle multiple batches, so that's why I'm writing what? 01. 01, 02, 03, like that. So FSJD, I'm taking batch time name here, 9 a.m. This is my batch timing. Okay, FSJD 9 a.m. This is a 01. Okay, not 02. Okay, 7 a.m. I'll take first batch. 9 a.m. second batch. 11 a.m. third batch. 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. Totally per day I will handle 5 batches. So I am taking the batch name as 02 FSJD 9 a.m. Clear? What you do now in your system, you no need of all these folders because it belongs to only one full stack Java. FSJD, it will not allow because already files are open. Inside FSJD, you create a folder. How many courses you are learning as part of this? Many courses. The first course is what? Core Java. Create 01 Core Java. CJ. Shortcut is what? CJ. 01 Core Java. Then second course name is HTML. Third course name is Oracle. Fourth course name? Advanced Java. Fifth course name? Spring Boot microservices. Based on what course you learn, that course folder you create. All the programs you practice as part of that folder. So that end of the batch completed, when you are going to interview, then revision will be easy for you. Understood? Just by seeing the program, your mind will get revision, what you learn, how you learn, and what order you learn. So, next, in Core Java, I don't dump all the programs in one folder. Again, we will create one more folder here with the chapter name. 01, which chapter we are learning now? Java Basics, JB. Shortcut we are writing, Java Basics. Okay, let me write Java Basics. Like this, we are going to create the folder and organizing the files. Everyone understand? There are some lazy people are there. They will save the programs on desktop. If you save on desktop, how can I compile, right? And they will come next, sir. Not working, sir. Where you save? Desktop, sir. I will slap you, sir. Right. D colon FSJD / 01 CJ / 01 JB. CJ means your first course. 01 JB means your first chapter. This is the folder structure I want you follow sincerely, strictly. Do you have any class at 11 o'clock? 11 o'clock, any class there? Shall I continue more 10 minutes? Okay, let's complete this program. Next, array Monday class, you will enjoy peaks, mama. If you practice this program in system and come Monday, Monday is a wonderful class. Okay, super, you will enjoy. And people who miss today class because of Saturday holiday enjoyment, weekend enjoyment, Monday they will get rakta kanire, blood tears they will get. Okay, no problem. Step number 4. Next is what? Compile. Hi, 1 minute, Ray. Change path, na? Change drive path. Or you can say 1 minute, 1 minute. Change drive and directory path. Hey, what is that? First, open and go. Open command prompt. Open command prompt. Then step number 5. Change drive and directory path. When you open command prompt, by default it is showing c:/users/hk. This is the path by default showing. Now here you type d: in bracket, press enter. What are we? Changing drive. Then what will get? d:/. Are you okay with this detailed explanation? Or you want to make it shortcut? Every point, each point, shall I explain detailed way? Okay. If you feel boring because of this much detailed explanation, please let me know so that I can shortcut and explain you fast. Next, what I have to do? CD space, where you have to change FSJD. This path you have to take. FSJD/01CJ/01JB. In bracket, press enter. What are you doing here? Changing directory path. If you use any YouTube video, you will complete this entire process in just 5 minutes. Installing JDK 1 minute, writing first program 5 minutes. Okay. So I will take more time because my class, all people are having from non-IT background. So each point, first day, we have to spend more time. Going on, we can go fast. Okay. Don't expect first day only very super fast. And then tell me what is the path you will see here. 01 FSJD/01 CJ/01 JB. This is the path we will get. Step number 6. Compile example.java file by using javac tool. What the syntax? Javac file name. Compilation syntax, javac space file name. Javac space, what the file name? Example.java. Everyone tell me, sir. When you compile this Java program, will you get any compile time error? No. Compiler software will go to example.java file, will come to example.java file. Then it is searching for class main method there, system dot out dot println there, closed bracket, closed bracket. Are there any your typing mistakes? No. Program successfully compiled. Java program is converted into a special format called bytecode. What a bytecode? And the bytecode is saved in a new file with what name? No, class name. First program dot class. Understand? So when you compile it, compiler software read the source code available in this .java file, converted into special format. What the special format? What the special format? Bytecode, and save here. What is available here? Source code. What it contains in .class file? Bytecode. This is the terminology you have to remember. Right. After compilation, we will get first program .class file. Next, step number 7, execution. Execute. What I should execute? Source code or byte code? Byte code. Execute byte code by using which tool? Java tool. By using Java tool, by using JVM. Or you can say by using JVM, by using Java tool. And tell me, what is the execution syntax? Java space, very important. What I should give here? Bytecode. Bytecode is available where in first program dot class. Here first program is what? Nana? Class name. So what I have to give here? File name or class name? Class name. Java space class name. So Java space, here I should give very, very important. First program in bracket. Don't give dot class, because internally JVM will add it. Internally JVM will add dot class. You don't write. Only write first program. Then here we will get main method is executed. Next step, SOPLN is executed. The next step, output. What is the output? HK programming word is displayed or printed. Now tell me, can I have Java file name or a class name with a different name? Yes. If I have Java file name or a class name with a different name, is there any compile time error? No. At compilation time, dot class file is created with Java file name or with class name? Class name. Java file name is example. Class name is first program. So dot class file is created with what name? First program dot class. At execution time, I should use file name or class name? Class name. Okay. You have to remember these points. Let us try to run all these steps now. Ready? Yeah? Everyone copied? Still writing up? Writing up? Online students, everyone understood? Okay, let us try now. Step number 1, open Notepad. Check, I will type and show you. Open Notepad and type the class, first program, open bracket, closed bracket, public, static, void, main of, string array args, open bracket, closed bracket, inside system dot out dot println of double quotes HK. Save it with any name.java. First of all, I have to create a folder. Go to D drive, creating folder FSJD. Inside, creating a folder. You know how to create a folder? Inside, create a folder, right click, new. Okay, I'm using shortcut Control Shift N. Shortcut for creating folder is Control Shift N. Now here 01 JB, sorry, CJ, and inside Control Shift N 01 JB. Now here you save the program with what name? Any name.java. I'm choosing the file name as example.java. Saved. Okay. Now open command prompt. Open command prompt CMD. Then directly can I compile Java C example.java here? No. If you try, compiler will throw error. Not find. File is not found. Then what should I do? Change drive. D colon. Change directory. What the directory name? FSJD slash 01CJ slash 01JB. Enter. Now the folder change. Now compile. Java C. Compile. Then go and check the folder. Very important. Always you should verify folder. Open FSJD CJ JB. Dekho, what the folder? In the folder, what is created? First program dot class. So the class name is a first program. So final conclusion. Can I create Java file name and class name with a different name? Yes. Next, Java. Which program I have to run? Example of first program. First program. With dot class or no dot class? No dot class. Compiler will add a dot class internally and you got output. So it will JVM will go to first program dot class, will go to main method, will go to SOPLN and printed this message. Successfully, we develop, compile and execute. So today target is installing JDK. Number 2, knowing essential statements. Number 3, knowing what is the steps to develop Java program. And number 4, developing our first program successfully. Okay, what the new points we have learned? We should not save Java program in JDK bin folder, and we can save Java file with any name. Then compilation time, the dot class file name will be the class name. Execution time, we have to use class name. So these are the points you have to remember. Okay, na? So can I expect all the people will try this program in your system today? If you got any errors, those errors are coming because of only your typing mistake. So when you get any error, compiler software will show the clearly the line number. Go to that line number. Again, check once the typing mistake you did, correct it and again compile it. Don't depend on other person. Okay, na? So Monday class is completely depending on today class development. And next, please don't copy this program from your notes. Don't open notes. Open, just revise your brain. What are the steps? 7 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Just to develop it. If you commit any mistakes, then open the notes and refer. Okay, na? Thank you. That's all for today class. Happy weekend. Happy revision first day. Okay. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Tomorrow no, Monday. Tomorrow is holiday. CUI?
CUI full form console.
Console user interface.
But in Google computer character user interface.
Rendu vastayi. Console user interface, character user interface. Both are correct.
Sir, where will you get your books?
Books. I will share now. Why you want? I will share. Uppercase, not class. Capital letter is uppercase. Smaller case is lowercase. Capital A is uppercase. This capital H is uppercase. Okay, na? Small h is lowercase. Clear? Alright, students, any questions? నువ్వు వేరే సిస్టమ్ లో చేయట్లేదు కదా, వేరే ఫోల్డర్ లో చేయట్లేదు కదా. యు వాంట్ కంపైల్ అండ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఇన్ సేమ్ ఫోల్డర్, సో క్లాస్ path not required. If you want to save program in one place, want to access from another place, then class path. Mahesh, you can do it in C drive. If you have D drive, go to D drive. If not there, in C drive, you create the FSJD folder structure and save and compile. So if you save in C drive, no need to change the drive, only directly change the directory.
Public static void mention. We write static but that's public. And it was
You can write any order,
anything.
but before while.
You have to install Java 21. I have installed it. Then I have removed that class. Okay, and I have directly write void main, and then I have print hello world. Okay, sir. Then output here in error is there that you have not written the class or public static you have not written.
I'll show you that. It will not work directly. Some extra command you have to use. Okay, I'll show you. No problem, you can install. Anywhere you can install. Bibanayak.